Hey guys, so today we're going to talk all about tips and tricks when it comes to sensitive clients. So here are a couple of things that you guys can use and a couple of tips and tricks you guys can integrate into your lash process in order to help with sensitive clients. First and foremost, we'll talk about lash baths. So a lot of people have started to integrate a lash bath for sensitive clients at the end of their set. This is because it's actually now proven that you can wash the lashes right after once the glue is completely cured already. So we definitely recommend using a bonner to ensure that, and then right after that you can do a whole lash bath on them. This makes it so that the fumes of the lash glue go away completely right after, and there's no lingering fumes or whatnot, so that usually helps with the sensitive clients as well. So you guys know how to do lash bath. We have a lot of videos showing you guys how to do so we won't do that right now, but I mean, all you really need is a lash shampoo, a water, a brush, and towel, and then you can just completely dry it after, and it keeps the lashes nice and fluffy still. So that is a trick that a lot of people have been doing, washing the lashes after the whole set is done. Next up, we would recommend using an anti-allergy gel. This product has become seriously a must-have for so many artists. It works for you actually as the artist and for clients because it will decrease the fumes around the area so that it won't burn your eyes either. So there's a couple actually different ways you can use this product. The first most popular is just opening it right next to your lash client and leaving it out during the entire set. That is a really popular way to use this product. You can just open the cap like so and leave it open like this next to your lash client during the whole set, and this will absorb a lot of the fumes. Now, another way you could use this is actually applying it onto the client's lids. This is a little bit different, but our products allow for you to do so. Okay, so like we said, the first one would be to leave it here. The second one, you can get a little bit of gel, anti-allergy gel, just like so, and you can apply it onto either their lid, and just a thin layer would be perfect, nothing too crazy, or you could actually put it under their eyes right here. Again, a thin layer is totally fine, and you would put the gel pad on top of this. Having the gel so close to their eyes just helps so that the fumes get even more absorbed than having the container on the side. So that is a great way to do it. So you can put it on, again, both lids or the under eye as well. And the third way, which you guys have actually showed us, is a lot of people like to have, let's pretend that this glue is clean. So one of their rings on their hands would be a glue ring that has just, normal glue in it, like so. And then the other ring, they would put it on their hand as well, actually, for what we've seen. And they will just take some of the anti-allergy gel, and again, let's pretend this is clean, and they would just put it onto the ring like so that the product is super close to the glue itself, absorbing the fumes much better also. So just like this, one with gel, one with glue, and then they would just work on the client normal, and it's really close to their eyes and the client's eyes as well, so the fumes are absorbed. That's 3 different ways that we recommend using this gel, and we came out with this new collection of the lavender collection. It just smells so good, and it's so soothing and relaxing for sensitive clients as well, so we definitely recommend you guys take a check out with this lavender collection. So this is our macaron anti-allergy set, just to show you a different option that we have. A bunch of anti-allergy gels with different scents for you guys, and these are a little bit wider, so some people like these too, where you can just open it like so and leave it out like this. So again, just different options, just want to show you guys depending on what you want, but we try to keep the scents for the anti-allergies super calm and relaxing for those sensitive clients as well. Okay, so a couple different sensitive products that we have is, we'll just kind of show it to you guys now, but one of them is our sensitive Japanese tape. It comes in a regular size and a thicker size. These tapes are really perfect to use with your whole lash setup. You can put this on their skin and then put a gel pad on top, or put the gel pad first and then put the tape on top. You can also use these to lift up the lashes, do tape back methods. The whole point of these tapes is that they don't have any cotton fibers in them. Cotton fibers are known to irritate the eyes, so if you use something like this, it'll cause less irritation to sensitive clients. Another product that we have is our medical grade hypoallergenic tapes. These are eye pads that you can use, so instead of doing a gel pad and tape or tape and gel pad, you can just put these guys like so. Again, the whole point of these is that they do not have any cotton fiber in them as well, so it won't irritate the client's eyes as much. Another product we have is adhesive wipes. So how you can use these babies is if the client is tearing up and they're just crying during the set, you can actually put one of these under the gel pad so that it holds it down, and it absorbs the tears and any sort of water really well, so that their eye doesn't feel like it's just super watery, causing them to tear up even more so. So you can just literally lift up the tape or lift up the gel pad, slip this right under, right next to their eye, and it'll absorb all the tears. Another product that we really love is our magic remover. This is a sensitive remover collection that we have. It comes in many different scents, and it's become definitely one of our most popular remover collections now. You guys absolutely love it. It's meant for sensitive clients too. This remover is just a little softer for clients, but it still works super fast, so definitely try this remover out. It doesn't burn at all either. If you have sensitive clients, a lot of people have said that their clients have no reaction to this remover versus other ones that might be a little bit more strong. So definitely check out the magic remover collection. And last but not least, we do have a sensitive glue. We are currently sold out, so we don't have it to show you guys right now, so we just put this glue to replace it, but it is coming back soon, so keep an eye out for it. It sells out super fast, you guys, because it works really well. Definitely try sensitive glue on clients who are a little bit more irritated to the whole lash process in general. You can also try clear glue, which doesn't have that black pigment in it, so sometimes for sensitive clients that could also be a good tip and trick, is to try clear glue. That could work. If not, then definitely try our sensitive glue, and either one will definitely help with their sensitivity. That's kind of it. There's just so many different products and tips and tricks that you guys can use when it comes to your sensitive clients. Try out different kinds, different ones, and see what works for you guys, but we would definitely recommend using any of these, or using any of the tips and tricks on how to do it during the process as well. And we hope that helps. Let us know in the comments what else you guys want to see from us. Comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Make sure to check the blog post that is going to be written and posted when we drop this video as well. We go more in depth with all the products, with all the tips and tricks and all of that on our blog post, so definitely check that out. Again, we hope this helps, and we'll see you guys so soon. Bye!